I'm so bored. Gotta find something to do. Dang it. Nothing to do. No. Too boring. Maybe I can find something to do in my cabinet. Let's see. What is in here? Magnetic rocks. Rosaries. A VHS. Christmas ornament. Ooh. Maybe I'll try coin collecting. I've been coin collecting for a total of 5 minutes, and I've already got all these state quarters and all of this. Okay, I've got. And a Chuck E. Cheese game arcade piece. Oh, I know what I should do. I'll call my girlfriend. Hey, Jane? Oh, yeah. What? You're dumping me? No!
Are you following fake girls again?
Yeah. How'd she know that Jean was fake? Oh well. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna play with my yo-yo. Old classic Speed Beetle. Never lets me down, does it? Ugh! No, I can do this. I can do this. Ow! Oh! Stupid yo-yo. I'm going to the store. I'm back. I bought some stuff. Perfect stuff for sleeping. Good night, YouTube.